What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Pero today guys, it's a very important day for me. Si Sinan, 1-year-old baby boy ko, will have to make the biggest decision that he will ever make in his entire life. This decision will mold him to who he wants to become in the future. And this is just more than just a career path. Ito ay napaka-importante para malaman niya kung totoong sino talaga siya and what he wants to be. Kaya samahan niyo ako kasi today, mamimili si Sinan, ang baby boy ko, ng first ever Rolex niya, okay? He will decide on what model he wants as early as 1-year-old. So here we have my Submariner tayo dito. Meron tayong Datejust. We also have the Panda. We have the GMT. And meron tayong Yachtmaster. So for me, personally, I would like him to pick either Submariner or Daytona. Pero, of course, sa kanya na yun, bahala siya. I will support him 100% kung ano ang ipipick niya para sa sarili niya because this will be a life-changing decision for him. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako. You have to choose, ha? You see the watches? You have to choose one, okay? You go. You choose. You choose. Napili niya pinakamahal. Let's go! Ang bilis eh, no? This is yours. Yay! This is a reference. 1, 2, 6, 5, 0, 0. So, ito yung pinaka-latest na Panda ngayon. So, this is around 2 million, guys. So, magaling mamili din yung anak ko, ha? Parang sasakit bulsa ko dito, ha? Anyways, mga nagsasabing hindi ko siya kamukha, tignan nyo ako nung 1-year-old ako. Ayun na humusga kung magkamukha ba kami o hindi. Peace out.